Dominick Cruz trash talk impression. Dominick Cruz trash talk. I can't even do an impression of Dominick Cruz, but he would do something like, I'm going to fucking beat your ass, man. You ain't going to see it coming. You know what you're not going to see coming? Your mom and dad's relationship problems that they have. Okay? So you can give all this talk, buddy. Keep talking. Because all this stems from your insecure childhood, from when your dad used to beat you when you were younger. And that's okay. That's why your mom left, right? Always the big guy at school, huh? Never the small guy. Well, this weekend you're going to get bullied, and you're not going to like it, man, because you're a fake guy. I'm going to beat you like your dad used to. Hey, man, you can't fucking... Oh, now you're real talkative, huh? Now the emotion comes out. You know why? Because I'm right. And you know I'm right. That's how Dominick Cruz does stuff. Dominick Cruz is just a weasel prick. I can't think he's a fan favorite. It's because he's just so fucking cunty with his mouth. It's also good at times. That's what he does. That's what Cruz does. I can't believe you even have the audacity to sit there and say that. Like, you're not even saying anything about me. You know why I can do that? Because my mom loved me. And my mom and dad had a great relationship. You know why? Because they're good people, man. You're not good people. You know you're not good people. Your team knows you're not good people. That's why you're here, man. They signed your death waiver. That's what they got this weekend. I'm going to make you miss, man. I'm going to land all the time on you. I'm going to KO you. That's an opinion. All you've got is opinions. All you've got is opinions. The stats read you won't hit me this weekend, any round. All you've got is opinions. I got fact, buddy. That's what he does. Cruz said all that, I'd be a bigger fan. That's what he does. Remember Cruz favor free trash talk? Yeah.